us all.
We're ready. We're ready.
Wait, did I
Oh,
miss
you're
one?
reading- Are you
No,
reading?
no, no.
Okay, is this the?
Yeah,
She's
it's
gonna.
okay.
Not like
This
for
is
everyone to
great.
come back.
Okay,
Oh,
so
should I read?
Oh, the
They need
bottom.
to read the first page though.
We
Okay.
need to. We
Let's
need
start
to
at the
first-
beginning.
let's-
Get-
let's
to get this.
hold on.
No, it's a different book.
No,
There
no,
are
it's
two
just
books in here.
How you
I'm
feeling,
reading
Ben?
from the other
Doing
book.
great.
Yeah, there. She's reading from the second.
Okay.
Hi.
This
Alright.
page doesn't get old.
Wait, are you
Yeah.
taking a selfie?
No, I'm snapping
Okay.
Ben.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
He reached for her, impatient, sliding her upward until she found his mouth again and took it in quick, desperate kisses. It wasn't enough, not nearly enough. He must have felt the same. Flipping her onto her back, he levered himself above her. It was his
Wait, slow down!
Slow down, slow down. This is too
Lightning
quick
Jack
for me.
over there.
I like to take my time. I like to take
I
time,
will
okay?
You
try.
gotta give it a
Good.
chance.
Slow down.
I got a few pointers for you when you're done.
Purchase.
It
Go ahead, go ahead,
Me
go ahead.
It was
I
his
love
turn
mine.
to anoint her body, starting at the
I'm going
curve.
to.
Starting at the curve of her jawline and working downward. He lingered at her breasts, then skated to the curve of her belly before dipping lower, carefully avoiding her tattooed butterfly.
Tattoo? Like,
That butterfly sounds so good.
wow.
What page?
Okay, this is great.
Rachel, what page is this?
69?
It has to be intentional.
That is awesome.
It has
No,
to.
oh, I wonder if that was
Whose
intentional.
book is this?
It's just one from the
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
He worshipped her with his mouth, finding and exploring the
I love
most
worship.
sensitive spots on her body.
You take me to church.
By the time he'd finished, her body wept with a want more powerful than anything she'd ever experienced before. She tried to say something, to plead, to
Oh,
beg
yeah.
for what she so urgently needed. He seemed to know already. Parting her legs, he slipped between them, then hesitated.
We all go silent right there.
Wait,
We're all like,
wait.
oh. Where's it going? Where's it going?
It gets better.
I'll try not to hurt you. Did he
What a
know?
gentleman.
Had he picked up on her inexperience? He must have, for he eased his passage into her body and breached her innocence with exquisite care.
Oh, this is the virgin part.
Yeah, this is the version.
Okay.
Whoa.
Tears escaped from the corners of her
She read
eyes,
it a
dapping
couple
the
times.
hair at her
Who is
temples.
this very?
Wait, hold on, we're talking. I can't.
Can't
focus.
Can't miss any.
She's a
It is
virgin.
getting hot in here. I
I
gotta
heard
Okay, okay.
her innocence.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
What's on chips?
You should probably stop her.
They weren't tears of pain, but tears of elation. If all she had was this one night with Brant,
It's very warm.
she'd find a way for it to be enough.
There you go.
Brad.
Yeah,
Well, now
her name is Miri.
Miri.
I know.
Oh.
Sorry.
She
Come on, I'm a
whispered his
little.
name.
I'm already a little
Filled with
tipsy,
wonder
obviously.
and
That's when I
joy.
start dropping shit.
He shuddered above her, shaking his head in disbelief. It shouldn't be like this. I shouldn't feel like this. His throat worked. But I do.
Whoa.
And then the ride turned wild.
It's only one page.
Bitch, I started halfway down the page.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Boy.
Look, I can still
We have a
walk
game.
straight.
And then the ride turned wild, and they rode that wildness together in mindless ecstasy, burning painfully bright in the darkest part of the night. When the shattering came, it went beyond all imagining,
Shattering.
shaking Mary to the core. For endless minutes they clung to each other, lost to everything but the sensations that continued to shudder through them.
Endless minutes.
Rachel, I hope you're videoing this for
Oh, yeah. Oh,
your,
Posterity.
Yeah, yeah.
and posterity reasons, yeah.
Archival, please.
Archive. Document.
I just meant for your art.
Yeah, it gets weird from here.
I have
There's
that.
no
I have
more
that
sex.
as well.
Good.
Okay, so we need to read page
Yeah, Ben's gotta read his little section.
Read over.
How do you know where the pages are?
Because